Or the little 407C up above.
What?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
That one has pressure in it.
Ready for another?
Yeah.
You guys better be sending me these videos too.
Yep. Go ahead.
That shit didn't even move.
No.
There's still liquid in it.
Yep. Oh, you shot a third one.
Ready?
Yeah. Shit. Lost its first time with the AR-15.
Just do the pink one right before it. Where are you going?
Can't miss with the ARs.
Missed.
I'm missing all those?
Either that or it's going through real quick.
You're
Sometimes you don't know it. You go look at the jug, it'll have holes in it.
You're out.
Okay. I'm out.
That's a good one.
That had pressure.
Oh yeah.
EPA card number 6295 FU.
Damn.
Now go to that. There's here. Holy shit!
What the hell? This thing must not be active.
I think you're going.
Where did it seem like I'm missing?
I think you're going through it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Little bird shot.
Ready?
Yeah.
Now from your hip. Plus.
Oh, I forgot to do the Alright, I'll do one more. Unless you want to shoot this.
Go for it.
I'll do one shot, cowboy style.
Don't be a pansy.
What's that?
Don't be a pansy.
Alright, here, ready? Oh, I totally missed.
At least that should look cool. It's coming down here.
There's nothing in it.
Well, that part kind of sucked that there was no pressure left in that one. Yeah. Die! Oh, reefer jug, die! Die! Chosen is going to die.
You're gonna miss.
Who knows? The sight hasn't been put in. I just centered it. Haven't shot it. I missed 20 times. Hitting the bottom right.
Low and to the right.
What's that?
Low and to the right.
Yeah.
You didn't do your little gay like "Hata!"
Do what?
You didn't do your little gay.
Way on the edge.
Told you.
Try it again.
Stop.
We don't have any tools in our pocket, really. Don't knock that sight over. I hit in the middle.
All right, let me try.
With your 45?
Damn straight, nigga.
That's shooting pages. It's like feathers are shooting out of it.
Awesome.
All right. Shoot that chosen book.
Oh, that's right, you're
Destroy that
left-handed,
satanic piece of trash.
though. You're left-handed though, right?
Yeah, but this is more comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Yep. Front sight right at her neck.
Did I get it?
I think it did. I think it was right above the collar on the left top. That hole was. There's paper. Paper came out that time.
All right.
Hit the wood real good.
No. There you go.
You're squeezing so hard.
How about that?
I can see his hands shaking.
Yeah, it's a buttery smooth gun. Has he shot the 45 yet?
Yeah.
Okay. So this should be butter.
Oh, I think that's it.
There we go.
So,
2.
recording.
Yep. So we're doing on 3.
1,
2. That sounded cool at least.
Yeah.
Didn't do shit. Show us the book.
Good go.
The front doesn't look too bad, actually.
No, show us what happened to it. You think anybody's gonna read that satanic filth now?
I don't know.
It's going. We got to finish it. It's not
Where's
quite
the
dead
12
yet.
Dead yet.
It's injured, but it's not quite dead yet.
Where's the 12 gauge?
Ready? Can you...
Yep.
Ready? Go for it.
Oh man!
It's snowing!
It's snowing satanic filth.
Don't load it yet. All right, Austin, you only have one shot.
All right.
Yep, and probably one shot with the camera because it's like dead. Wow, you took half the book away.
All right.
It took its ass out.
It's gonna be hard to throw this now.
Yeah.
It's okay. Pull.
Is your safety off?
Yep.
For sure?
Yep. Ready to death.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh,
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Oh man. Ready.
For sure now.
All right.
Pull.
Yes.
Alright.
You're on.
All right.
Pull.
What the fuck?
It didn't just stuff came out of it, but it wasn't like hit.
What was the excuse that time?
It hit it, it just didn't.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Who's throwing?
I'll throw.
All right.
What? No way. You know, waste round.
Yeah.
Okay, get going, the battery's dead.
All right, good to go? Yeah.
Snowing again. Probably caught the bottom half of the book that time. Is she dead almost?
You don't want
Alright.
That's go pro too well. Are you ready? It's already racked.
All right.
I racked it.
You racked it.
You ready?
You ready?
You ready?
Jew is ready.
No.
What is he, 0 for 2 now?
Yes.
Yep. Finally.
I hit it the first time. Destroy.
Ready?
See if you can hit it this time.
Let's see.
Are you ready?
Yeah. You ready?
Oh, the battery exhausted right when it exploded. I hope it. What was that?
Wasn't expecting that.
Was that awesome?
Pretty cool.
I was just doing it just to make it.
Ready?
That was worse.
What do you mean wuss?
That one's even less than the other one.
That's fucking loud.
Yeah, it was. I barely got my finger to my ear. So, this is a hollow point 9mm, way bigger. Didn't even go through the rounds in there. See, because it fragmented after it hit, it mushroomed as it hit, which made a bigger entry hole and didn't even come out the back. His too.
Yep.
Your 45 didn't go through, but look where it hit though.
No,
it hit
they do.
it hit the middle, which is where it's thicker. It's overlap. That's kind of surprising.
Is it still in there?
So it looks like it's
I didn't even know they took an aim. I just
9mm hollow point, and the green one is a 45. So, and they both turn it around there. Turn it so you can see the dent.
Oh.
Turning. There you go. Oh, the dent right there, you hit it at an angle. Yeah, see, it didn't even come out either. And actually, this jug, feel the difference in weight. It's actually thicker than the green one.
Oh yeah.
Because that's a high pressure refrigerant. So, yeah. See, in that case, hollow point 9mm makes up for the difference. See? You know how many people are going to call bull crap?
why it keeps coming on.
Now you can go see it.
He's down inside. Right about
There he is.
Where?
See it?
Yep, right there. He's looking right at us.
Oh, wait. Yes. There he goes. Look at it.
It's probably about